quality is pretty great. What the heck? It's like really good. It's like, how do I say? I don't want to call this an impulsive purchase, but it kind of was. Usually when I feel the need to buy something just out of the blue, I will put it in a wish list and then just never visit that wish list again. But for this one, I managed to convince myself because I realized that it could do something very, very useful on top of what I wanted it for. Anyways, that's enough of the lore. Today we're going to be unboxing a Bluetooth label printer, and it doesn't use any ink, so no ink cartridges ever. Let's get right onto it. Pristar label printer. So the technology is thermal printing, and that's how it's able to not need any ink. Light green, is that the color I went with? I don't remember. We can already see the QR code to download the app on the back of the box. Always cut away from you because safety is #1 priority. Leave a comment if you know which YouTuber says that. All right, how do I open this? Oh, like that. Okay, we have an instruction manual right there, and then this should be the printer. Nothing else in there. Oh, the cable, of course. We have a USB-C cable. Ooh. We have a USB-C port right there. There's a button here. This is an LED indicator, which is also a button. Okay, I haven't pressed it. That's pretty much it. And then here is where you would replace your roll, your paper roll. Okay, it's peeling time, but I do need to get the mic up there. So good. Okay, this is looking amazing. Let's take a look at the manual because I have no idea how it works. So that LED button is the power button. We have to press it for 3 seconds to turn it on, and it will automatically turn itself off if you don't use it for 20 minutes. Okay, so the good news is that you can print without the app because they have a test file in there. We're gonna try that out. I'm gonna hold this for 3 seconds. Ooh, it's green. And green means charging complete, on, standby. Okay, to print the test, we need to press the power button twice. This is great. And there it is. I'm hoping this QR code leads to the app, and I can just, and then it has the metal teeth here where I can just, ooh, that was rough. That was a little too rough. So apparently I can scan the QR code, but I can also type Mark Life on the App Store. Learn with Paw Patrol. What is this? So Mark Life, let's see what that is. Yeah, I think that's the one we're looking for. Let's get it. Probably gonna ask me to create an account. Oh, no? Okay. After the device is powered on, click here to add the device. Do not search for a Bluetooth connection printer in the Bluetooth settings of your mobile phone. Basically, don't click on it if you scan it on your settings. There's a tutorial for the app. App operation video tutorial. Click here to select different notes for printing. I don't know what that means, but okay, let's just link. Okay. Allow it to find, connect, and determine relative position. I don't like the wording on that, but okay. Okay, if the circle is green, that means it's connected. You can select different sizes. That's important to know. All right, that's enough. Usually we don't read manuals, but that was a video, so we wanted to check it out. Let's click create label. Wait. This is not green. This is not green, but it says unlink. Whatever, let's create the label and let's see if it works. Double click text to edit. You can put pictures. Graffiti? Graffiti? What? Shapes. You can import Excel documents? Ooh. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean import Excel? And then there's sticker. Okay, cool. Serial number, OCR, I don't know what that is. Scan, image, QR, blah, blah, blah. Okay, cool. Let's double click. Confirm. But it's stickers. No way, they provide you with a bunch of images. That's cool. Is there just a search function? No. Plant, pay, sports, medical drugs, okay. Clothes storage, shoe, communication, weather, math, digital appliances, supermarket, baby products, mother and child, okay, wow. Chemical, yes, radioactive, yes. Oh, there it is. So I can move this sticker around. What is graffiti though? Oh, that's kind of cool. Anyways, let's try to print this and see what happens. We can control the paper out direction, the print density, the number of prints. There's an option between text printing and picture printing. Then there's tag paper and continuous paper. Print. Now it's connecting to the printer. I thought we were connected. All right. I think I skipped something. I should probably connect it to the Bluetooth. Oh, there's no instruction except I should have clicked on the top left thing. I don't want to save it. We'll do another one. So I click on unlinked, which is counterintuitive, but okay. According to the requirements of Android, the Bluetooth connection needs to open the location permission. All right. I would imagine that there would be something that I would have to do with this, but apparently not. It's just, is it supposed to always be in scanning mode? Because that wouldn't make sense. Do I have to click again? What's going on? Okay, it found it. So is it linked right now? What is happening? So it's here. I don't want to click unlink. That doesn't make sense. Because right now it found it, but it says unlink. I don't know what that means. It's not even letting me click on it. Unlink. Unlink? Connection failed. All right. Okay, we're off to a great start. This is supposed to turn blue when it's connected. Is it because my phone is not up to date? Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna update my phone. It's gonna take a while and I'll be back. I can't even tell you how much time it's been. Probably like 30 minutes. I had to download 2 software updates on my phone. Let's see if this works now. Let's turn this thing on. Let's click unlink. Very intuitive. It seems to know exactly which model I'm using. Unlink, I guess. Oh. All I had to do is update my phone. Okay. It works because now this is blue. So that means it's connected. Everything works. If your phone is up to date, it should take you like 5 minutes to set up. So now I can double click on the text, easily type subscribe, add a sticker. I really enjoyed the P50 frame. This one, can move this here, add another sticker, move this here, and then print. Okay, print density, blah, blah, print. It is so fast. Like the connection is, what? Okay. All right, so this is what it printed. Quality is pretty great. What the heck? It's like really good. It's like, how do I say? The contrast is pretty high. I thought this was gonna be a screen. What is this part for? Anyways, so now I have my little sticker. I can easily and put it on whatever. The adhesive seems to be pretty strong. That's nice. All right, so we just wasted one. This is gonna be mostly useful when I am trying to do like labeling for my cables. Just wrap this around the cable. They have specific paper for cables to mark labels for your cable management, which is amazing. And I'm probably gonna end up buying some if just printing them like this doesn't work. But this is dope. So the print density, I can lower that. Oh, I should have kept that. Let me print again. Maybe put it right side up. So you can see how it prints and just how fast it reacts. So I'm gonna press print. And I'm gonna put this here. I'm gonna lower the print density to 1. Click print. I don't see a difference. I do not see a difference. This one is not perfect because I pulled on it a little too much. There's no difference in the density really. Okay, so that's cool. It's not ink anyways. Not sure what the difference is between text printing and picture printing, but let's try it out. Now I can save this one. Oh, if I want to save, I need to log in. That's how they get you. I'm gonna delete those things. How do I delete? Right there, it says delete. But deletes, you select delete. Nice, you can copy, add, reduce. I'm gonna delete that too. And let's add an image. Give it access to my folders. Now click image, okay. And I actually want to find something kind of difficult. I'm gonna find this picture right there. Okay, this is a weird. Oh, there's a button. I didn't see the button. All right, keep in mind, this is not a color printer, okay? Print. And then where it says picture printing, I'm gonna click picture printing. Density, we're gonna keep it at 2. And let's see what it comes up with. It did it. Wait, print density, is it like the pixels? Oh, in that case, I'm gonna go back. Is there any color correction maybe? Doesn't seem like it. But anyways, we're gonna have the print density to 3. And maybe now we'll see a difference. Actually, I don't need to remove this. Oh, it's worse. It feels more polarized. What is 1? Okay, so here's the difference between the three. So number 2 seems to be the best. All right, good to know, good to know. It's weird, even though this doesn't use any ink, I still feel weird printing over and over again. I guess I'm using the paper. I am definitely wasting the paper. Also, I don't know how much the roll is. It can't be that bad, right? Right? Yes, I do realize I should have watched this before buying it, all right? No one is perfect. So it's not a screen, it's just, okay, it's just fingerprint magnet for no reason. It looks cool though, it looks like a Bluetooth speaker. Also probably perfect to put some stickers on. You can see my fingerprint. Cool, show me the different rolls perhaps. So it's waterproof, that's nice. See, that's the different rolls that they have. And those are made for cable management apparently. See? That's dope. I can do that. I have what it takes. Well, I need the roll, but yeah. Okay, this video is gonna be all over the place chronologically, but I wanted to show this part. This is after I'm done recording the video. When you double tap on the text, you have composition, where you have a bunch of options for typeface, for the spacing, and things like that. And then here on the typeface tab, this is where you choose a bunch of fonts. I don't know why they keep showing like those backgrounds, like this was a color printer, but I guess it makes the app more appealing. So this is the choice you have. And it's a lot. I like this one. So I was just playing around with it for the thumbnail and there it is. Anyways, I don't want to make the video longer than it has to be. Basically, I have this thing now and why is it, wait, the video is showing me color stuff. Wait, hold up. Why is there color there? Anyways, it's clearly my first day with it. I'll probably learn some more. If there's more, I might make an update video, depending on how well this video, if you have any interest for it, basically. I'll definitely make a video if I ever get this role for cable management. But yeah, that was the Pristar P15 Bluetooth label maker. There will be a link in the description if you want to get yourself one of those or an equivalent. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.